But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new user and we're going to give them access to the platform. So to do that, I'm going to click Create User. I'm going to give them an email address. We'll call it training.example@harakirimail.com. Okay, that sounds like a weird email address. That Harakiri mail is just a free kind of mailbox that I can use just to generate the verification codes which I need. We're going to call this guy Terry Trainer. Give him a date of birth. Date of birth is important. It gets used whenever you like resetting your password. So it's an important one to know about. We'll just give them a number. It's fine. Confirm that. Okay. And now what we need to do is we need to give them a role. So this is kind of an interesting one. We're just going to give them access to our Centtrip training. Now, if I wanted to create them as a corporate super administrator, that means they're looking after the whole corporate, the whole Centtrip training corporate. And if I click next, you'll see there, it basically says you've got access to all the accounts in Centtrip training. Boom, that's that. Whereas if I choose to create them as a corporate administrator, you'll see the next thing it asks is, okay, you're doing that. Which operating accounts do you want them to have access to? So if you want someone to just manage specific accounts, you give them a corporate administrator role, and then you can choose exactly what accounts they can manage. So we're just going to give them access to the Barbary operating account. And we'll confirm that. Confirm that. And now what happens is that user will be sent an email just to welcome them to Centtrip and to ask them to create a username and password